Morning and welcome to the replay. Good morning. Hi, Dawn Marie. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Quick coffee and chalking. My Ray Dunn of the day is my name. Yay. Hi, Shelly. So, don't mind my sunglasses. I was waiting for my mom. We're supposed to be going to breakfast, but God love my mom, but she's always late. So, hi, Cindy. So I said, okay, Mom, I'm going live real quick. Now you're going to have to wait for me. So, hi, Iris. Hi, Erica. Good morning. So I'm going to be super lightning quick today. And I even just realized that I did not even turn on my lights. So hopefully it's not too dark. I literally ran in the room. I'm like, oh, let me do the live. As you guys are coming in, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I would love it if you guys would share. So I am going to be using, once again, I'm going to continue on with the You Are Enough series. And I am going to show you a way that I am making this project, a project for little Brandon, for his room, because he is enough and I need him to know that. He's at a very impressionable age, boys and girls alike. And I need him to realize that he is my world and he is everything to his dad and I and his whole family. So I want to make sure he knows this. But before we get started, if you've never watched me before and you have no idea what I'm doing, here's a little something all about Chalk Couture while I get this ready. And then after I am done, we will talk about this promo and how awesome it is. Okay, hopefully, this may be on enough. You guys should have had a chance to read everything. Let's come on back. I'm just getting the flowers that I am not going to be using that comes with the You Are Enough. I'm actually going to combine this with the Be Courageous transfer. And I think it's going to be awesome if you ask me. Now, I'm going to be using our board and base, just a little something for little Brand's room, and it does fit perfectly. I'm going to kind of center it, and I am going, there goes the coffin. I'm going to use, I believe the eagle right underneath it. And not underneath it, but like underneath the whole saying. Like I'm going to have the eagle popping up in white and have the words in a different color. Hi, Jamie. Hi, Timmy. Hi, Susan Taffley. Good morning. Thanks for joining, guys. As you're coming in, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I would love it if you click share. Now, this transfer hasn't been used yet. As you can see, these lines, these are our cut lines. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut right along them. I am not the world's straightest cutter, and that's okay because I have my image. Now, the next thing I want to do, and where is my pen to do this? Here it is. I want to notate the back of the transfer because as you read, these transfers are reusable over and over and over again. So I want to make sure I have the correct way for the transfer to be replaced back onto the carrier sheet. Be strong. I'm not writing the whole thing. Okay, so now my whole saying is ready to go. But like I said, I'm only going to use a portion of this. I'm going to use the eagle, and I'm going to do the eagle in one color, and the You Are Enough in another color. So I'm going to do the eagle actually first, and then You Are Enough over it is what I think. Oops. Hold on. Just dropped all the transfers on the floor. Okay, so let's fuzz up our eagle. All I'm doing is putting him, as you can see on the bottom right-hand side of your screen, you're going to see that I'm putting him down on my fuzzing towel, putting down, fuzzing up, putting down, fuzzing up. Just like this. There we go. And like I said, I'm going to try my best to sort of center it, keeping in mind that there is a base. Where's the base that this goes in? So see, like this. So I obviously don't want to go too far towards the bottom so I don't not see it, if that makes sense. Oops, hold on. There's something in the screen. Oh, my hair. Big surprise. My hair gets on everything. There it goes. All right, so smooth it out. There's my little eagle. Okay, so now I still have a ton of color left from the actual package, the You Are Enough. I don't know that I want to use these colors, though, to be honest with you. I might want to use, I think I'm going to use different colors. I am going to do the white for the eagle here, but I'm going to use, I think, either Cool Breeze or Morning Sky for the words, I think, is what I want to do. Don't mind my sunglasses sitting on my head either. I was ready. I'm sitting outside waiting. Just sitting and waiting. Do I have any white left in here that I can use? Hold on. Oh, yeah. Just needs a little love. Where's my spray bottle? Well, that's MIA. That's what happens when you come in and try and be quick. That is what happens. I can use a little bit here. I just need a little bit. Okay, so we're going to come in and we're going to pull the color across the transfer just like this. Just make sure that the whole silk screen area is covered. Get your excess off so you can scrape it back into your jar. And we're going to peel this off now. And there's our little eagle. Pull from the side, not from the corner, so that way you don't stretch transfer. There we go. So we have the eagle down. Hi, Jen. Hi, Lourdes. How do you get the special package? Oh, Sarah, I'm so glad you asked that. Right in the comments below, or it might be above where you commented, is my website. All you need to do is go to my website. I'll even do it again here. You can go and purchase it right on my website. If you are already a designer, you can earn it by doing by selling the kit to 10 different people. But I don't know that you are a designer. If you are, let me know. Hi, Nikki. Okay, so we have that done. Now, hey girl, now we're going to go ahead and we are going to do the You Are Enough. Now, I'm just going to fuzz it really quickly to make sure that it doesn't peel up my eagle. And I'm going to do it just like this. Is it on? That looks like it's an even amount both ways. I'm not going to push too hard where the eagle is because I don't want it to pull up the color. I'm going to use Cool Breeze just because I think it's such a pretty color. And I know it's a color that little brand likes. So we're going to do that. We're going to stir it up. Look at that consistency. It's gorgeous. We want it to be a nice yogurt-like consistency. And this really is. Get another little squeegee here. You get a squeegee in your kit. We're going to go over what comes in the kit as soon as I finish this. So that way you can see it. Alrighty, let's go ahead and let's do this. Now, on the spots where the eagle is coming through, oh wait, I hope I'm doing that right. Where the eagle is coming through, I'm going to go a little heavier handed with the color, with my Cool Breeze, and I'm not going to squeegee off as hard because I don't want to remoisten the eagle underneath. I'm hoping you can see the eagle the way I did this. Okay. All right. Oops, hold on, I'm missing a spot. Right there. Take my time. I'm going to pull it back. Just like this. Oh, I love it. Look how cute that looks. Oh, I hope he likes it. And I purposely did it on the board and base so that way he can have it on his desk because he loves to draw and he does his homework there. And he's there a lot. So I want him to know that he is enough. He is my best thing ever that happened to me. Next, he ranks first over his dad because he's my buddy, my little buddies. So that is the project, guys. How quick and easy was that? There is something that you can make this definitely have a masculine feel for young boys, even for your husband. I think my husband would love this because there's an eagle on it. And I purposely did pick the eagle for Little Brand because he's into sports and all now, and the Eagles are our team. So I thought this would be nice. Hi, Christy. How are you? So here is You Are Enough. Easy peasy, right? All right, let's bring this back up to me. So that way you guys can see it like this. You are enough. I love it. So cute. Okay, so let's talk about this awesome bundle. The You Are Enough bundle. Okay, let's discuss this because it is while supplies last, guys. Okay, this is the You Are Enough bundle. It's $34.99 while supplies last. You're going to get everything that you see here to make this beautiful project plus so much more. You're going to get our 10-inch hexagon boutique board. You're going to get the You Are Enough size B transfer. You're going to get a small squeegee, and you're going to get 4 chalk paste singles. It's going to be bright white, chartreuse, mint condition, and turquoise oasis. Now you got to know that the chartreuse, mint condition, and turquoise oasis are exclusive to this kit. So if you love those colors, you're not going to get them anywhere else but this kit. Okay, and all of these items will guarantee that you can make this project, and I'm already showing you that I'm making so much more with it. This is, I think, the 3rd project I've done using the You Are Enough. So I love it. Thank you, Christy Lynn. Thank you, Iris. Thank you, Dawn Marie. I love this kit. I think it is a fantastic value for those of us, or those of you that are saying, I really want to try Chalk Couture, but I don't know what I should do. I don't know if I want to go like all in. This is the perfect kit, $34.99. You can't beat it. And you get you're getting a $6 savings. So you're practically getting some of the chalk paste singles for free. It's a great deal. I really hope you guys take advantage of it. Now, if you'd like to take advantage of it and you are not already working with a designer, I would love to be your designer. I would love for you to shop with me. Additionally, for any of you who would be interested in joining my VIP group, I would love if you would. Please, no designers, customer only group. All you need to do is comment me right down below. If you comment me, I will message you the link to my VIP group, which has, my lips are super chapped, sorry, which has specials, offers, bundle deals. I have my monthly Chalkbox subscription that I just brought back for the month. It sold out the last 2 months. If you're interested in it, you want to jump in there and grab it. We also have over 400 Chalk Couture videos in there, so you can go back and look to get tons of different inspiration. You will love it all. And then while you were watching this, you're like, you know what? I would love to do what that girl does. I would love to share the love of Chalk Couture, share my creativity, share my creations, and make money while doing it. If you're looking for a new business opportunity in 2019, why not try joining my team and giving Chalk Couture a whirl? I think you'll be super happy that you did. It's so easy. Everybody loves it. You can offer sip and chalks. You can offer BYOB classes. You can sell at craft shows and vendor events and expos. It's awesome. And it's a super sweet commission. If you're interested, you're definitely going to want to join my opportunity group. I have my next opportunity live tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The only way to watch it is to be in the group. So all you got to do is comment, join right down below. So that is it, guys. I truly hope you enjoyed my lightning quick project. You Are Enough. Perfect for my son's room. I can't wait to put it in there. And that is it. I hope you love it. Thanks for joining me on my super quick live. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.